Get ready for the next generation in nozzle design. R-Van rotary nozzles are engineered to deliver the most efficient coverage while making installation and maintenance faster and easier. With a full line of adjustable, full circle, and strip models, R-Van can handle any job, big or small. Let's see how R-Van outperforms the competition to set a new standard in rotary nozzles. R-Van's greater arc adjustment range allows you to cover areas of any shape with just 9 nozzles, ranging from 2.4 to 7.3 meters. The competitor offers 15 different models and takes 4 nozzles to do what R-Van can do in 2. Quickly adjust R-Van's arc and radius by hand. No tools needed. Simply push down and turn the cap clockwise to increase the arc up to 270 degrees. Turn the radius adjustment dial clockwise to increase the throw distance. The competitor requires a special tool that is easily lost and difficult to use. R-Van nozzles are engineered to allow dirt and debris to pass right through. But if a nozzle should happen to stick, simply pull up firmly to flush it out. The competitor's model requires replacement. Leverage R-Van's match precipitation rates to simplify design and zoning. Compare that to the competitor, which requires multiple zones and multiple valves to accomplish the same thing. R-Van's gentle rotating streams create uniform coverage at lower precipitation rates, reducing wasteful runoff and costly erosion. R-Van requires 33% shorter run times versus the competitor and is ideal for time-restricted applications. R-Van's larger droplets and thicker streams cut through wind and keep water in the target zone. The competitor's smaller droplets and thinner streams mist, allowing them to blow onto sidewalks and hardscapes. The difference is clear. R-Van is up to 30% more efficient than the competitor. All R-Vans are match precipitation with 5,000 MPR rotors, which effectively extends R-Van's reach to 10.7 meters. As you can see, Rainbird's R-Van rotary nozzles outperforms the competition across the board. Rotary nozzles have evolved. Advance with R-Van.